Alright, so welcome to my channel and I'm here to give you a quick guide on how to register or create an account through Orus. So just to give you a head start, napakadali lang po talaga ang pag-register nitong Orus. So just stay with me and I'll help you to create an account. So without further ado, open nyo po yung Google Chrome nyo and then type nyo po yung link na orus.bir.gov.ph. Then next step po, open nyo lang po yun and then click nyo po yung new registration and then may drop down list, click nyo po yung as an individual. Then the next step po is click the without existing TIN. Ang assumption po natin is wala pa po kayong TIN, no? So pero kung meron na po kayong TIN, just click the with existing TIN. Pero in this case, in this video, without existing TIN po muna tayo. And then you just click the user type. Ang ilalagay nyo po doon or itatap nyo po is business as single proprietorship. Next step is i-fill out nyo po yung mga required information. Yung may mga asterisk po. Kailangan nyo po talaga i-fill out yun. Because kung hindi po, hindi po siya mag-proceed. Make sure po yung sa may email na part, kailangan po active po siya. Kasi later on, dun po magsisend ng parang verification link si Orus. So, kapag katapos na po ninyong na-fill out, you just check the I'm not a robot and then click nyo po yung register. Kapag tapos nyo na po siyang na-fill out, most likely magsisend na po yan ng verification link si BIR Orus. And then, i-check nyo lang po yung inbox or kung wala po sa inbox, sa spam nyo po i-check and then click nyo lang po yung verify your account button. And then, that would be the end of the account creation sa Orus. So, kung i-proceed nyo na po for BIR registration, just check my next video po. Thank you for watching.